one simple thing. So today's one simple thing, just to focus on one thing in your journal, would be to attach something loosely, something that's movable, just to let it dangle or whatever, fits the page. So from my kit, I've got a little notepad look and a little tag here with a word, and then I have a brad, and I've punched a hole through both. On this page, I'm going to hang it at the top. So I have to decide where do I want it, and then I will attach it. So I think about right there, just the other side of this snowflake would be good. Then I'll take my tag, feed my brad through both the tag and the little note. I'm not going to put any glue on this because I do want it to move. Then it'll come through back here on this back portion, which we'll want to cover that up. But see, now I have a movable feature on my page, which is really cool. So I cut a little piece from the kit, 3 by 5, 3 inches this way, 5 inches this way. I'm going to make a little tuck spot at the top. I put lace that will hang down, and we'll cover that up. Easy peasy. And then you would not know that that was there. And then if you wanted to tuck something up under there, you could do that. So how cute is that? Movable. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching.